In this lecture, we will cover the concept of cut and paste in visual mode. In the previous lecture, we have covered the same concept but in normal mode. In visual mode cut, we just need to select the number of lines in visual mode and then we need to press D. After that, those lines will be ready and cut, and after that we can paste it using P command. You need to care about one thing here. We need to press single D, not double D. Once that is done, we will see the clipboard concept that is also similar to what we have covered till now. Now I will open VIM editor and show you one by one all those commands. This is VIM editor. Already one file is open in VIM editor. What I will do, I will go to start of talk to device function and cut the whole function by selecting it into visual mode. Now I am going to start of talk to device function. To select into visual mode, already you know you need to press V, and using down arrow key you need to select the line you want to cut, paste, cut, copy, anything. Now this line is ready for cut. I will press D. See, those line of that particular function is completely cut and ready to be pasted anywhere. What I will do, I will go to end of the function and there I will paste it using P command. I will go down and show you this whole function is pasted perfectly fine, and this is how it works. This means in visual mode you don't have to worry about number of lines. You just select the number of lines and then you can do any action, either copy or cut. This is for normal operation. Now I will show you same concept what already we have covered, the concept of global clipboard. For that I will set parameter for clipboard. Now clipboard is set and we can perform the same action and it will be equally applicable either in VIM editor or any other editor. What I will do, I will cut the same function. For that I need to select the complete function in visual mode using V key press. I am selecting the complete function. It's selected perfectly fine. Now I need to press D. I will go to gedit editor and paste it using normal paste command, that is ctrl V. See, it worked perfectly fine. And that's all in this lecture.